Jan is a Swedish-born acoustic musician, composer, producer, and teacher. He is also a heart transplant patient at UNC hospitals. While on the transplant waiting list at UNC Center for Transplant Care, Jan spent 13 months with a left ventricular assist device, otherwise known as LVAD, to help his heart pump. Bedridden, he was unable to breathe well enough to teach or play the music he loved so much. The phone call that a donor heart was available was music to Jan's ears. Jan later found out that his donor was a musician as well. When Jan recovered, he expressed his gratitude to his donor's mother by composing an original piece of music entitled Going Home. It was the only way he could begin to thank her for the amazing gift of life her son gave, a life Jan almost didn't have. When Jan was sick, he spent so much time worrying about the future that he now lives his life one day at a time, cherishing each moment. Sharing his passion for music with others, Jan still tours in his native Sweden.